Mistress of Evil by Medusa the Dollmaker in 60 by 75 cm rounds, free crystals, plum and pink ribbon. This is an example of how you can use the free crystals that you get with this painting. Depending on the size of the canvas you have purchased, you will either get more for a bigger canvas or lesser beads for a smaller canvas. So for 60 by 75, this is how much you will be getting of the pink ribbon, which we have sprinkled on her pink collar. The plum crystals have been used to highlight the purple areas of her horns. So the plum crystals for the purple areas of her horns and pink ribbon crystals for the pink collar. Not an ongoing promo that will end soon. It is part of the kit, so for every Mistress of Evil diamond painting kit purchased, it will come with free crystals, and for this it will be for plum and pink ribbon.